In space, there's a black hole that's technically making a sound. The black hole is located in the Perseus cluster, and scientists discovered pressure waves moving through the hot gas around it. When those waves were converted into audio, the result was terrifying. A deep, haunting sound. And here's the crazy part. It's the lowest note ever detected by humans, so low that it's impossible for us to naturally hear it. The note is around 57 octaves below middle C. That's unimaginably deep. Imagine a black hole, silently sending vibrations through space for millions of years. The universe isn't silent, we just can't hear most of it. Follow Why So Random for more random space mysteries.